Alright guys, we're gonna be installing some the struts in the front of this 2016 Honda Accord. We're gonna start by removing the wheel and tire. We're gonna set up our jack and take that off. We're gonna go from there. 2016 front struts. That's where we're gonna be installing. Alright guys, this is what tools you will need. Some Allen wrenches, 10mm socket, 17mm socket, socket extension, socket wrench, some pliers, and I like to use this power tool here. It allows me to remove some of those bolts a lot easier. So that's what you'll need as far as tools goes for this job. Alright guys, once you have your wheel and tire removed, I like to put it underneath right there just in case something was to fall. It has something to fall on. Anyhow, I'm gonna tell you exactly what we're gonna remove. First thing I'm going to remove is the speed sensor right there. I'm gonna take that 10mm bolt out, take that out. Next thing I'm going to remove is the clip right here. Take this clip off. I'm gonna come around and I'm going to remove this one here that's holding the line, so I'm gonna take that off after that. Then I'm gonna come here and remove the stabilizer bar end links. Take this bolt out right here. Then I'm gonna take the one on the bottom right here, take that out, and I'm gonna remove this here. So that's what's gonna happen. And then after I remove the end link, I'm gonna come around and take this bolt right here out that holds the strut in place. I'm also gonna take this one off back here and the one on the other side right there to be able to push down on this assembly here to be able to get the strut off the base. Then lastly, I'm gonna come up, once I have that strut off the base, and remove the 3 bolts up here, nuts that hold this strut assembly. I'm gonna take off the nut right here that holds the strut. So we're taking out this link, see if that gives us